What's up, you guys? Today, we're gonna have a quick review. At ang i-review natin today is this Belo AcnePro Pimple Gel right here. And this will cost you 149.75 for 10 grams of the product. Nakalagay dito, it's oil-free, fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, hypoallergenic, and dermatologist tested. And basahin natin yung nasa likod niya. This helps dry up pimples fast, calm inflammation, and promote healing and antibacterial actions, leaving skin smoother and pimple-free. Infused with purified bee venom, clinically proven to help heal mild and moderate acne. I actually have this product for 2 months now, pero dahil madalang lang ako magka-pimple at usually nagkakaroon lang ako ng pimple every time na darating na yung kabuwanan ko. Every month. So, doon lang ako nagkaka-pimple and usually, wina-wash ko lang siya, matutuyo na siya. Ganun siya. So, hindi ko siya, wala akong specific na product ginagamit for my pimple. So, this is the first time na magtatry ako ng pimple gel. Trinay ko itong product na to for at least a week, kaya ako siya ginamit kasi nagka-pimple ako. Dahil bibihira ako magka-pimple, gustong-gusto ko na itry itong product na to. So, hinayaan ko siya na talagang mag-develop as a pimple. 7 days ago, nung nagka-pimple na ako, yung namuuna talaga yung pimple ko. Talagang makikita mo na may nung, I'm sorry doon sa mga kumakain, pero meron na talaga siyang nana on top, and then umbok na yung pimple ko, and inflammatory. And this side, guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung video nung aking everyday na paggamit, and also yung evolve no effectivity and also yung pimple ko at the same time. So, makikita nyo yan on this side. Dalawa nga yung hinahabol ko nun eh. I want to try this product at the same time. Graduation kasi ni Daphne. Siyempre, I want to be smooth and all that. So, yun ang hinahabol kong araw. So, I started using this product from Monday last week. And ang graduation ni Daphne was Saturday. So, yun yung hinahabol kong araw, you guys. And I started using this product nung feeling ko namamaga na siya, namumula, at saka yung nana nga. Sorry yung nana on top, paputok na, alam niyo yung ganon. Doon ko in-start gamitin tong pimple para makita ko yung attainability niya or yung capacity niya to stop inflammatory and also yung nana at the same time. Tsaka yung pimple, evolve ng pimple at the same time. So, ginamit ko to nung first day. Ginamit ko siya sa umaga at sa gabi. The next day, ina-expect ko, pumutok na yung pimple ko. Pero hindi, you guys. Hindi siya pumutok. And as you can see in this video right here, yung second day ko, medyo ganun pa rin yung itsura niya. Namumula pa rin siya ng konti and doon pa rin yung nana. Pero hindi siya pumutok, which is what I'm expecting. So, hindi siya pumutok. So, at that second day, ginamit ko ulit siya sa umaga at sa gabi. On the third day na pag-gising ko, guys, makikita nyo dyan na medyo naglaylo na yung pamumula ng pimple ko. And also, yung bilog ng nana, medyo lumiit na rin. And yung inflammation niya talagang nawala. And also, sa pakiramdam din, you guys. Usually kasi, pag may pimple ka, mararamdaman nyo talagang nandyan siya. At masakit pag hinawakan nyo. But at the third day, nung hinawakan ko siya, hindi na ganun kasakit. So, yun yung evolvement niya. On the fourth day naman, 2 days before ng graduation ni Daphne, again, on the third day, ginamit ko ulit siya ng umaga at saka sa gabi. On the fourth day, pagkagising ko, totally nawala na yung aking pamumula, and then lumiit siya ulit. And then, yun, ginamit ko ulit siya ng umaga at saka sa gabi. On the fifth day, mapapansin nyo na wala na talagang pamamaga. As in, pati yung pakiramdam niya as in normal na. Kahit ganyan ninyo, hindi siya masakit. And then also, napansin ko with this product, you guys, because medyo may moisturizing siya na kasi normally, pag ang pimple nagda-dry up na siya, makakakita kayo ng pamamalat on the side. Alam niyo yan, kung sa mga nagkaka-pimple dyan, usually na-experience nyo to, na pag natutuyo na yung pimple, may pamamalat siya sa gilid. With this product, I didn't experience any of that. Yes, meron konting-konti lang na hindi masyadong halata. Alam nyo, yung pag nilagay nyo ulit nito, parang wala na lang din siya at pinatungan nyo ng powder, parang wala na lang din siya. On the 5th day, gumamit pa rin ako night and day just to ensure na yung mismong pamamaga niya, yung pag-umbok, kasi yung pimple, di ba, nakaumbok, mawala din at the same time. During the time na nag-graduate si Daphne, nung nag-makeup ako, mapapansin nyo in this video, na parang wala na lang siya. Totally, guys, yung pimples, wala na siya. Pero yung umbok, kasi di ba, pag nakaka-pimple tayo, may umbok. Yung umbok, andun pa rin. However, talagang totally wala na yung pimples, you guys. Yung nana as in, very clear na siya. Alam nyo yun, nag-heal na lang siya para pumantay siya ulit sa skin ko. Now, on my 7th day, at last day ko gumamit kahapon. This is the 7th day. As you can see right here. Ito ang 7th day itsura niya. Actually, meron pa siyang umbok, pero very, very minimal na lang. As in, totally wala na siya. Hindi na masakit, wala nang inflammation. Yung gilid niya medyo nag-brown na. Ibig sabihin na heal na yung pimple na to. As in, nagpapapantay na lang siya. This product right here is very, very effective. As in, very effective siya na mag-lilo talaga at mag-alis ng pimple. As in, very, very effective siya. But I could only speak for those people na nagkakaroon lang ng pimple ng paminsan-minsan. Like, for a month, nagkakaroon lang kayo ng isa, dalawa. And you can spot this on. I cannot speak for those na medyo may intense na acne problem. Kung meron kayong problemang ganun at na-try nyo itong product na to, sa nanonood din itong video na to, comment kayo sa baba para makatulong tayo sa iba. Kasi for me, yung na-experience ko sa kanya, maganda talaga. Actually, patubo pa lang lagyan nyo na para ma-prevent niya yung pamumuo ng pimple talaga. But I have here, ito pakita ko rin sa inyo. Ito kung makikita nyo may umbok ako dyan, patubo yung pimple na yan. Ini-start ko na siya lagyan. This is the 3rd day already. As you can see, hindi na siya nag-evolve into a pimple, a regular pimple. The product is really effective. A must have, you guys. Kung kayo regularly, pag kunyari, like yung mga girls, pag nagkaka-pimple, a must have to sa vanity nyo. Go ahead and buy it for 149 pesos. Very affordable na to at marami na itong gamit kasi marami to, 10 grams. And konting-konti lang yung gagamitin nyo. Nga pala, you guys, yung itsura nito, clear siya. Ayan, no? So, I highly recommend this. Ilagay nyo siya sa vanity nyo para every time you will have a pimple, madali siyang accessible siya sa inyo, hindi nyo na kailangan bumili ulit. And yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching it. If nakatulong to sa inyo and you like this video, do not forget to give me a big thumbs up. And also, i-share nyo rin siya para makatulong siya sa iba. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Do not forget to be happy all the time and have a great day. Bye, guys! What's up? If you want to see my latest video, guys, eto yan. Click nyo lang yan. And if hindi pa kayo nagsusubscribe sa channel na to, please do so by hitting yung pagmumukha ko dyan sa baba. And also, all of my social medias will be down here, so go ahead and check me out there. And I would like to say hi to Koy DC. Hello, Koy. Thank you for watching. I love you, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!